Class 1 English Grammar. Okay, let's start. So previous day we have finished this names of days of the week, months of the year. I have given you homework, you wrote it and you have sent me. Okay, so this one we have finished. So let's start from here today. Right, all of you write the date 10/5/20. Okay, now the names of person, cities, countries, days and months begin with a capital letter. We know names, all names, okay, nouns. Names are naming words are all nouns, so all names begins with a capital letter. So whether it is a name of person, city, country, days, month, it will start with a capital letter. Now let's start now. Write here the names of any four person, okay. Now one is written here, Nita. Any four person name you write, Nita, then you write here Geeta, then Mita. You can write anything, your wish. It is not that you have to write the same thing. You can change and you can write your own names. Write Sita. These are four. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Write here the names of any four cities. Delhi is written here. We'll write Mumbai. Cities also you can write any name. Kolkata, Chennai. Okay. See. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Four cities name. You can write some other cities also. It's not that you have to write the same thing. Okay. Now here the names of any four countries. India is a country. In the next country you write China, France, Canada. China, France, Canada, Russia. Okay, it's a name of countries. There are many countries name. Oh, 4. 1, 2, 3. So one is extra. Let's rub it out. So 4. India, China, France, Canada. Clear? Name of countries. You can write some other names also. Now write here the names of the days of the week. This one you will do homework. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. And this one, write here the names of the months of the year. This one also you will do homework. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, clear? This two you will do homework. And previous you can copy this or you can write your own name. So everyone take your pencil and you can copy this. See. Names, any names of person you can write. Cities name also you can write anything. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. I have written this. You can change and you can write your own names also. Here names of countries also you can write some other names. I wrote India, China, France, Canada. Okay. The name of countries, the name of cities. Now here you will write the names of the weeks, the days, names of the days of the week. And here you will write the names of the months of the year. These two you will do homework. Okay. These two you will do homework. Sorry. 10/5. Now let's go to the next page. Now next is what? Test yourself. Some questions you have to test yourself. Now see. What is the first day? Fifth day, sorry. What is the fifth day? Now count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So fifth day is Sunday, first day, Monday, second day, Tuesday, third day, Wednesday, fourth day, and Thursday is the fifth day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So fifth day is, what is the fifth day? You write here Thursday. Thurs, Thursday, day. What is the third day? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Count. Tues, day. What is the sixth day? Fifth, then sixth. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is the sixth day. 6, see number 6. So, sixth day is Fri, day. What is the second day? It's very easy. Tell me. What is the second day? Sunday, Monday. So, right here. Monday, day, Monday. What is the seventh day? Count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Seventh day is Saturday. SATUR, Saturday, day. Now next is what is the fourth day. Now again count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday is the WET, wet, NESNES day. So Wednesday is the fourth day. What days do you go to school? Now can you tell me what days you go to school? What are the days you go to school? You have to write the days that you go to school. You go to school. Sunday, do you go to school? No, it is a holiday. So you go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is also a holiday and Sunday is also a holiday for you. So what you will write? What days do you go to school? You will write here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, these are the days that you go to school. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Clear? Now, ask 6 friends when their birthday is. You have friends, ask them when their birthday is. Vicky's birthday is in October. This one no need to do. Let it be. Give a cross. Just your friend's birthday to do. No need to do till this much. Okay. So for today, till this much. Okay. So your homework will be. This one is a main. This one you can copy. This two is your main homework. This and this is your main homework which you have to do. This one you can write from here. See. This one also you can write from here. See. 5th day, Thursday. 3rd day, Tuesday. 6th day, Friday. 2nd day, Monday. 7th day, Saturday. 4th day, Wednesday. What days do you go to school? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. Okay. So for today, this much. Your homework is this two. Please do your homework and send on the group. Okay. Your homework is this one. Days and months. Clear? Okay. For today, this much. Thank you.